Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to redeem your Opinion Outpost points for cash in your PayPal account. So log into your Opinion Outpost account. I currently have 220 points, which is just over $20. Click on Rewards in the menu up top, and it'll bring you to this rewards page. As you can see, there are several options here. Let me scroll down. I'll use this PayPal option, and you'll see this dialog box. As you can see, it shows 100 points for $10, and I'm going to claim 2 of these. So I'll click Checkout, and on this screen, first I'll use this drop-down menu and choose 2, like so. Next, we need to connect with PayPal. So I'll click on this Connect with PayPal button and click Continue. You'll see this dialog box. You need to enter your login and password to log into your PayPal account. You will need to agree to these terms and then click Agree and Connect. You'll see this message and it'll bring you back to your Opinion Outpost account. You'll see a confirmation message like this. Next, click on Continue. Read these terms and conditions and click on Agree to Terms and Redeem. You'll get a confirmation that your order has been submitted. You'll also get an email confirmation of your order, and you'll see 2 email messages like this, one for each PayPal transaction, and also 2 messages like this one from PayPal. But that's pretty much it. If you want to make some extra money taking Opinion Outpost surveys, check the link in the description section. Thanks for watching.